So now this is exercise 13.1 question number 2. The length, breadth and height of a room are 5 meter, 4 meter and 3 meter respectively. Find the cost of whitewashing the walls of the room and the ceiling at the rate of rupees 7.50 per meter square. So here what you have to do, firstly you have to find the area of the room for which you have to make a whitewash, on which you have to do the whitewash. When if you have seen practically in your life, when you are going for a whitewash, then four walls and the ceiling is used, not floor, not your floor part is used for the whitewash. Okay, four walls of the room and the ceiling, this much is used for whitewashing. So we have to find this much of area. So firstly we have to find the area of the wall, then ceiling. Or you can directly use the formula which you have used in question number 1, that is length breadth plus twice breadth height plus height length. Or either firstly you find the area of the four walls, then area of the ceiling, that's depending on you. Okay, after finding the area, the total area for the whitewash, that is the area of the four wall plus the area of the ceiling, that is the area which is required for the whitewashing. The rate is given to you rupees 7.50 per meter square. So now if you have the area, then you will multiply this with that area and you will find the total cost required for the whitewashing. So let us solve this question. Now for the second question, length is given to you 5 meter, breadth is given to you 4 meter and height is given to you 3 meter. Now area of the walls of the room, because here we have to find only the area of the walls of the room, so we do not include the floor and the roof part. So area of the walls of the room that will be twice length plus breadth into height. Okay, now just simply we have to put the value, that is equal to 2 5 plus 4 into 3, so that will be 2 into 9 into 3, this is 54 meter square. Now here you have to find the area of the ceiling also, so that is area of the ceiling. Area of the ceiling equal to length into breadth, so that will be 5 into 4, this is your 20 meter square. Now the total area of the wall including ceiling, we have to make a sum of these two. So this implies that total area for whitewash, because whitewash is not but because the whitewash is only for the four walls and for the ceiling, not for the floor, that's why we have to take here the area of the four walls plus the area of the ceiling. So the total area for whitewash equal to the area of the four walls plus the area of the ceiling, that is 54 plus 20 equal to 74 meter square. Now you have to find the cost of whitewash, which is given to you 7.5 rupees per meter square. So for finding the total cost for this area, we have to multiply 7.5 with 74. So for finding the total area, total cost of whitewashing a whitewash equal to, now this is 74 and the rate is 7.5 rupee per meter square, so this is your rupees 555. Okay, so this is your rupees 555.